Hello my amazing people, welcome to my channel. If your YouTube channel is not growing, don't worry, you are not alone. Many creators are making simple mistakes without realizing it. In this video, I'm going to show you the mistakes that might be stopping your growth, and number one is not posting consistently. Okay, you don't have to post today and then post 3 or 4 weeks later. Come on, try and post at least 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, YouTube like when the content creators are always consistent with their posts. Okay, number 2, long intros. Come on, you don't need to introduce yourself for 1 minute. Okay, you have to go straight to the point, okay, so that the viewer will not get bored along the way and ignore your video. Okay, so try to make your intro short as possible. Okay, and number 3, bad thumbnails. Most of you, your thumbnails are very boring, your texts are not bold, your face is not clear, the background you use is terrible. Try and make your text bold enough for your viewers to see, make your face clearer, and also make your background very okay. You can use a dark background. Dark backgrounds are always much better. Okay, and number 4, don't give up early. Okay, most of these content creators you see on YouTube, they didn't give up. Most of these people you see in YouTube now that are making it, they didn't give up early. They kept posting even when they were not seeing desired results. They were still posting, and now look at them today, they are doing well. So try your best, my dear. You don't have to give up, just keep posting, and one day, just one day, your video will go viral. Okay, and the last but not the least, okay, is for you to use a better title. Okay, a very nice title. Instead of saying my YouTube tips, you can put something like why your YouTube channel is not growing. That's even more better. Okay, so please and please try and avoid these mistakes I mentioned. Okay, and please, if you want to get more tips on how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, please try and subscribe to my video. Okay, and if you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. Okay, guys, bye.